if you don't like the snow, then you're in luck in the I-95 corridor.
You like this for the Northeast, but if you live in the Carolinas, get ready for it because we are in the zone there for dealing with some significant weather. A live look in Charlotte right now, they're expecting some pretty intense snow. Maybe by this time tomorrow, this will be a much different shot. It could very well, I don't know, Bane, be among the top snows we've seen in the cities.
Right? And so let's get on the ground and check in with the one, the only, Bob Van Dillen. Bob, how's it going out there right now?
Bane, good morning to you. Good to see you, Stephen, as well, everybody else. It's a little chilly. Temperature's about 34 degrees with a feels like temperature, wind chill of about 28, but it's really dry. So we know once the precip starts, it could start as a little bit of drizzle, but at this point, it's just going to cool that air column down. It's going to be snow almost instantaneously when it starts late this afternoon or the evening hours. Charlotte right now, in fact, the entire state of North Carolina, winter storm warning. We've got advisories, warnings for the entire state of South Carolina as well. And you talk about a major blast. The last time Charlotte saw 8 inches of snow or more was way back in February of 2014. It was a big coastal storm that rolled on up the eastern seaboard. That was a long time ago. You're talking almost 12 years ago. Generally speaking, Charlotte picks up about 3 inches of snow per year. That's the average. Going for at least a half a foot right here. And that's going to be maybe on the conservative side, too. It depends how quickly this area of low pressure bombs out off the coast of North Carolina. The quicker it bombs, the quicker it's going to take the main snow band off to the east. So if it takes its time and forms nicely around the Outer Banks, South Carolina coastline, that main snow band, you look at the 850 millibar level, it's going to be hanging right over us for a longer period of time. End result, though, 1 to 2 inches of snow rates per hour, especially around the mountains down through the Piedmont. And then you get to the northeastern part of North Carolina, 2 inches of snow per hour, thunder snow, blizzard-like conditions for northeast North Carolina, lower parts of Virginia. Mike Seidel is out there in Kill Devil Hills. He'll have live reports on the storm the entire time. That's going to be fun to watch. But as for our time right here, you guys, cloudy right now. It's cold. No question about it. It's dry. Everything is normal. If you look behind me, that's the Queen City, Charlotte, doing fine for a Friday morning commute. Friday afternoon commute, especially later on, you might see the snow start to fall. And if that happens, it is going to stick instantaneously onto the roads because it has been so cold. Now, they've been out brining you guys since last night. They're going to continue to brine the roads, the major arteries. This is 277 behind me. That's the on-ramp. Obviously, 77 major highway, I-85. It goes all the way back over towards our west. They're treating those. Now, once the snow starts, that's when the plow brigade gets out there and starts hitting it hard, and that's going to be basically overnight tonight. We peak out tonight with the heavy snow after midnight. It goes all through the day tomorrow afternoon. Mid to late afternoon begins to taper off, but then focuses right on eastern North Carolina. The biggest snow that Charlotte has ever seen, I had to look it up, was 1902, about 17.5 inches worth of snowfall. The last big one that we had was February 2004. If you remember that living here, that was just a little over 13 inches of snow. This one, probably not that big, but the SLR snow liquid ratio, I mean, it's off the charts for this area. 15 inches to 20 inches of snow for every 1 inch of rain. That's going to pile up pretty quickly. So we'll see how much we get. But I'm thinking at this point, over half a foot.
The ground right now, Bob, is there anything that you're seeing there? It's hard to tell because I'm not sure how much Charlotte got in this past weekend storm.
1 second. I'm going to go show you what we got.
It's probably like
got
just
a
this
little
flake. I know. I know what he's about to do. He's like,
it's it, right? It's
there
still out there.
is.
We still have the ice. It's in patches. So let's not do it down towards the car. Let's go this way. But yeah, you know what? Some of the back roads are still ice covered. So there are some issues. We never really got above freezing by much. So back roads around here, some of them still have ice on it, according to the reports. But the main arteries, they've been fine. In fact, right after the ice got out of here from the last storm 5 days ago, they started brining already just to anticipate this next storm. Charlotte, the DOT around here, doing a great job so far.
Yeah, that's great news. 9, it looks fairly chilly out there, Bob. We're going to be watching very carefully with what goes on over the next couple of hours. Thanks again for being out there. Fox Weather Meteorologist Bob Van Dillen. We'll check in with you later.
See a lot more of you coming up at noon o'clock Eastern.
Noon o'clock.
Well.